Google is expected to announce the new Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL smartphones in October. In the previous 360-degree renders of the Pixel 3 XL, some fresh photos of the prototype of the same smartphone have surfaced to show its front and rear design. As it can be seen in the images below, the front side of the Pixel 3 XL is black whereas it features a white-colored rear shell. The front panel seems to be mainly dominated by a tall aspect ratio display that features a notch which seems to be housing dual selfie cameras. An earpiece that doubles up as a frontal speaker is also present inside the notch. Another speaker is present on the bottom bezel of the Pixel 3 XL. The rear side of the phone continues to feature dual-tone construction like the predecessor model. The upper glass portion with frosted appeal features and LED flash-enabled camera and a fingerprint reader. The remaining part of the rear shell is made out of glossy glass, unlike the predecessor model that featured metallic plate. The rear view of the Pixel 3 XL in these images is another confirmation that it won't be featuring dual camera setup like other rivaling flagship phones. One of the live shots of the Google Pixel 3 XL shows that it is equipped with 64GB of internal storage and 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM. Reports have also claimed that the handset will be available in a higher version that features 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The Snapdragon 845 SoC is expected to power the smartphone. It will arrive with Android 9.0 P pre-installed. The exact size of the battery of the smartphone is not known. Rumors have it that the handset will carry support for wireless charging. The rumor mill is yet to reveal real images of the smaller Google Pixel 3. Reports surrounding it have revealed that it won't be featuring a notched screen. However, it is expected to arrive with an 18:9 aspect ratio display like the Pixel 2 XL.
I recall the past again tonight. It's in the front of my mind. As I fall apart, you begin to cry. The tears are making you blind. The future's far away, but I will stay. I will stay. Just take a leap of faith. We'll find a way for you and me. Can't look back and run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide, because